Hi guys, it's Lloyd from Magic's Visual here. Just come to give you a quick video on my new Windows 8 Activator. So as you commonly know, you have to have a product key to install Windows 8. But as I showed in my last video, I think it was, a way to bypass that. But still, once you've done that, you've still got to activate it to access the full features of Windows 8. But first off, if you didn't watch that video, go and watch that video obviously. But if you've used a key that'll bypass the install off the disk or off the USB or whatever, but then it'll say, oh, it's not valid or something, this is the way to get around it. So the first thing you'll want to do is, just delete this. The first thing you want to do is, if you've put a invalid key in just to bypass the install, you want to remove that. To do this, the easiest way is obviously press new shortcut and just type in CMD, enter and enter, and you'll get a command prompt. Run this as an administrator, and you'll type in slmgr space /UPK. The UPK just stands for uninstall product key. Once you've done that, I've already done that of course, but once you've done that, you get a box prompting you up down here from this activation centre look. Activate Windows now important. So then once you've clicked on it, it will bring you up to this. A new product key to activate Windows. Basically, now as you've installed Windows 8 Pro, but there's no product key, so just ignore this at the moment. My Activator, you don't need to run it as administrator because it does it automatically. Press yes, and this both does Windows 8 and Office 2013 Professional. As you can see, look, it's starting to activate Windows now, look. Activation successful, now Office 2010 obviously, and now Office 13. You just do this every 180 days because obviously, see it says 180 days here, look, remaining period. This activator, if you keep it, obviously you can just do it every 180 days and you'll be activated forever basically. So just press enter to exit that. So once you've done that, you'll press Windows button and pause break on the keyboard to bring up the properties, and it'll say Windows is activated. View details, and it'll say Windows is activated. Give you a bit of a product key there and tell you it's Windows 8 Pro. And then obviously if you're down to Charles Boy, you can get to it that way as well. Through PC info, if you click on personalisation, it'll take you to this obviously look. So yeah, obviously PC info through there, as I said. And it'll just take a while, because this is on the virtual machine, but Windows is activated. This activator will be available for you lot to download from me. All I ask for you is for you to subscribe to my channel, like a few of my videos, and private message me if you want the activator. Obviously look, I've got foldable stuff where there's many other activators there which don't work, but the one I successfully made does. The only feature that you don't get is obviously if you look to the charms bar up here and settings, normally there'll be another personalisation thing there as well, but I'm sure you can find that it'll be if you just search it on the start menu. So thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe, and there'll be another video up soon. Again, thank you for watching. Right guys, just before I go, I just thought I might share with you another thing as well. I said just before I went, in that little bit just, if you get what I mean, the lock screen personalisation isn't there, but I found a way of where you can find that. So as you see, it normally says something like change PC settings or something, and it isn't there. The only thing you've got is personalisation, and of course you can change colours. Look, so change that colour there. Sorry, let's do that again. Change colour, save, and in the background you might choose Earth. Actually, let's go for something that's different. Yeah, just keep it as Earth. There we go. And that changes. As you see, the background and the toolbar, taskbar has changed. But anyway, back onto the lock screen. As you saw at the start of the video, the lock screen was like a building or something in a field, I can't remember what it was. And my start screen is obviously grey or black, whatever you want to call it. So what you obviously want to do is go on your start menu and just start typing in personalisation. Or get to personalise, and what you want to do is click settings. You'll get these three here, which are Metro apps, so you'll click on as our top one. That'll bring you to this Metro app. And here I'm going to change my start screen, so I'm going to choose that with that, so you can see the colours are different. And lock screen, I'm going to change this honeycomb. I'm not going to change my account picture because you don't really need to change it anyway. But yeah, so I've changed start screen to that, and to prove to you that it's worked, I'm going to show you that as well. So start button, there you go, that's changed. I'll lock it so you can see my start screen, which is that there, look. When you come, now log back in, and there's the Metro. Another quick note as well is that you probably know this by now, but if some of you don't, you might think, how do I close the apps in Windows 8, or how do you close things that you've opened in Windows 8 which you don't know is there, you know. If you don't know that, what you'll do is just go down to the corner, you'll get like the start button basically, and then swipe, like, well not swipe, but move your cursor up. I can't do it now. And it'll bring all the things which are open on this bar here, and to close them, you right click and press close. Another way to do it would be through Task Manager. So for example, let's get something open, it's like a Metro kind of thing. Go on store, we'll open the store. So if we wait for the store to open, I'll open two things, because the only problem using that way is that you can't take them all off, or take them all off quickly. So we've got that one, and we'll get open Internet Explorer, the Metro version. So we've got them open, we'll just go to Start menu and Desktop, right click on your bar and click Task Manager. Another way to do it would be Control Alt Delete. But yeah, anyway, so you'd right click Task Manager, and as it shows, it's got the two Metro apps. So to end the task, you'd obviously click on it and press end task, but if you want to end another one, press it and then hold Control. It doesn't work in here, but yeah, let's open it up. Yeah, but it'll all be selected, so you can just press end task. End task. Is it ended, is it? Yeah, and then obviously end task manager. So yeah, thanks for watching, and comment, rate, subscribe if you want the Activator, and obviously message